If you just dump 500 pounds of chips, they wouldn't move the way that we wanted. So we had to build what's called a gimbaled set. It's the same basic concept as the setup they used in an old movie, Fred Astaire's, where he's dancing around a room. And you have the camera mounted on the set, along with all the lights, and that whole apparatus is on a beam, basically, that allows the whole thing to tilt one way or the other. So when you shoot, since everything is moving in unison, you're not aware that anything is moving. The camera was attached to the counter, you're not aware of that motion.
The doughboy basically walks up and opens a door, and out comes a flash flood of chocolate chips from this candy store. That scene probably had 20 different plates, different film elements that were shot to make that all work and look real. There were some basic foundation plates, and those two plates were the animation of the doughboy walking up to the candy store. And then you've got what is called a live action plate, which was live action footage of the chocolate chips bursting out of this door and coming right at camera. You have to shoot all sorts of different film elements in order to remove the rods. You need to create what are called articulated mats, so you can take the doughboy off of his film element and put it on to the film element of the chips. Dozens of little things. You'll shoot one element to remove one odd-colored chocolate chip. That means basically you've got an animator drawing out that one chocolate chip.
I have the final spot here in Harry, and we brought this in off the D tape. Up in my library, I've got a few things up here. This right here is the final spot, and this over here should be scene 3. It's the animation plate. Here's scene 3, comp 15. This has a shadow in it, has the chips comped in, but it does not have the doughboy in. Then we have scene 3's mat for the doughboy, and here it is. And so we're going to use this mat to key him on top of here. Here's our front right there. You can see there's a rod here. There's some paper that was placed down here to kick up light reflection of the same color as the chips. And here's our key in. Here's the back plate. We're going to key him on top of here. And here's the result. So this is all set up. I can just run this. You'll see this will go through, and we'll have the doughboy up on top of those chips.